how to make your Notion dashboard more static. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to sign up and then log into your Notion account. Now go to templates and then select personal here. As you can see, you have to tap this arrow facing down and then click personal. Now scroll down and look for this habit tracker. If you can't find it here, you can go to the search bar and then type habit tracker. Now you can see the preview of the template. And once you're okay with this, then the next thing you should do is to click this get template at the bottom right corner. So once you tap this, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then you will see it right here. You have the habit tracker template already. So for static template, it is advised or strongly recommended to set your mode into dark. So to do that, you just have to go to your settings, and then go to my settings. That is below my account. Click appearance and then look for dark mode. Okay, let me tap my settings and then look for dark. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So if you want to, use all of the page, you can tap this three dots and then click this full width and you can use the full page right here. So don't worry, we're going to delete all of this. Actually, this is just a sample template. We will not be using all of these features right here. So to start, I'm gonna introduce to you these websites where you can download or copy code and URL for your static dashboard in Notion. We have here Canva if you want to edit or if you want to customize your own cover photo. You just have to go to Canva, go to designs, and then kind of type whatever you want as your banner or cover photo. Next, you have to go to this site right here and then go to the search bar and then look for something like static if you want. We can go to Pinterest and then search for something like, for example, aesthetic GIF, and then you can save this, right click, and then tap Save As. Okay, so I want this as my cover photo, so I save this to my gallery, to my PC. So tap change cover and then go to upload and then import the image that we have saved or downloaded from Pinterest. You can change the position if you want, but for me, it's totally fine. So to start, you can just simply delete any of the following here which you think are not necessary. So the very first feature or image or icon that I want to import to my dashboard is a clock. So you can go to create widget, go to clocks, and then create a clock for your dashboard. Tap create, and this is what it looks like. Now you have to toggle this Notion dark mode so that you will see the output, what it looks like because you're using the dark mode in Notion. Okay, so if you want to change the clock background, you just have to tap that. The clock border color, you just have to tap that one and change the color. The clock text color, you can change that. So once you have copied the embed, you just have to tap this box right here, slash, go to embed, and then paste that embed that you have copied from widget box. So this is the result, and it's very beautiful and wonderful. So like what I've mentioned earlier, you can simply delete those that are not necessary. To start, all you have to do is to type slash, and let's just say we're going to add a table for our habit list. So you can add by tapping this plus button right here. So this is what it looks like. So we have your habits in the morning. Now all you have to do is to fill in your list here. And if you want to add something like color, you just have to tap this 9 dots and then look for color and you can add a color background to your habit list here. Okay, so for each part, you can tap this dots again, go to color, and then change the color background so that it would be more catchy for you. Okay, so once you're done, and then you have here your habits, list of your habits. So we have your clock and your habits. Now, if you want to change the position, all you have to do is to drag it till you change the position right here. Just do it again and again. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now you can also change or resize this clock, this widget. Everything is up to you. But for me, I think it's totally fine. Okay, so now what we're going to do next is if you want to duplicate this one and then do or type your habits in the evening, all you have to do is to tap this nine dots, go to duplicate, and then drag it down here and change everything, including the colors if you want. So I have here habits in the morning and then in the evening. So if you want to add something on the right side, like if you want to add more widget, let's just say for weather, but I think you need to add picture plan here in order for you to use this one. So I cannot use the weather widget here. So what I'm going to do now is I just have to add quotes instead of weather. So click create codes and then toggle this Notion dark mode. Enter the codes that you want to add to your Notion dashboard. Change the color. You can change the background. You can change the icon color, text color, border color. You can also increase image opacity. Okay, so all you have to do is to explore everything here. Okay, you can also change the font style, font size, okay, align, and so on. So you can also change the icon if you want. And then once you're okay, then go to copy. Tap this copy right here. And then what you're going to do next is to paste this embed to your dashboard in Notion. Okay, so copy this one, go back to your Notion. Okay, tap this slash, go to embed. Okay, and then paste that code or URL that we have copied earlier. Paste it right here and the link, and we have the codes. Okay, so you can change or delete this anytime you want to. Okay, so we have the clock, our habits, we have the codes here. Now, if you want to add more, let's just say if you want to add to-do list, if you want to add bullet list, so all you have to do is to type slash and select the list that you wanted to add here. Okay, go to new database and this is what it looks like. So what we're going to do here is we're going to input our to-do list. Okay, so later we will just add something there. So to add more, you just have to tap and then type slash, scroll down, and if you want to add something like, let's just say, image or video or other database view, then you just select it right here. Okay, and then after that, now if you want to add calendars or weather, you can just simply go to those sites like Canva, you can go to Pinterest, or you can ask Google to look for something like your weather here. Or if you want to add a calendar image or calendar GIF, then you can just simply go to Pinterest, or you can go to Widgetbox or other sites, which or where you can copy some embed and then paste it right here. Okay, and you can change the position anytime you want. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I want to put the calendar down here and then change this to-do list up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And now you can add weather if you want. You can add other features, other image. Everything is up to you. So this is how simple it is to make your dashboard more aesthetic. You need these websites in order for you to add, copy, embed, and paste it to your dashboard Notion. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is to search for that. Okay, if you cannot get the code, then you can save this, go to save us, and then import this from your PC, from your device. Okay, so this is just a very basic information and tutorial on how to make your dashboard more aesthetic. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.